Hi there, Money Smart dudes. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're going to be diving into the world of technology and finance, where you're at the edge of your seat, eagerly awaiting the release of the latest groundbreaking product from the tech giant Apple. Well, that's exactly what happened at the recent Worldwide Developers Conference. For those of you who don't know, Apple just unveiled their highly anticipated Apple Vision Pro headset, and the buzz around it was electrifying. In today's video, we're going to analyze all about the Apple Vision Pro headset launch and use the information we've got to determine if it's worth purchasing Apple stock. So, strap in guys, this is gonna be a fun ride. Okay guys, before we get into the nitty-gritty of Apple's Vision Pro headset launch, let's talk about Apple's track record. Did you know that for 7 consecutive years, Apple's stock price increased a day after the World Developers Conference? Talk about a lucky streak, right? Now, let's take a closer look at these articles and break down the information to see if Apple's latest release is a game changer for the AR/VR market and if it has the potential to boost their stock. According to the first article, the Apple Vision Pro headset is positioned as a turning point in consumer technology. Just like the Mac introduced us to personal computing and the iPhone revolutionized mobile computing. You see guys, the Vision Pro takes a physical reality first approach, allowing users to look through the headset instead of just at it. I know it's a mouthful, but just bear with me for a second. You see, packed with impressive features and powered by cutting-edge technology, this sleek headset boasts 23 million pixels across 2 displays, which is controlled by eye movements, hand gestures, and even voice commands. What's not to love about that? This is truly a science dream come true. But wait, there's more. The article points out that the Vision Pro's significance goes beyond hardware. You see, Apple's presentation focused heavily on consumer-oriented content like games, movies, and photos rather than enterprise use cases. And I'll tell you what that means. This means Apple is aiming for a broader audience. Now you might be wondering, how does this impact Apple's stock? Well, if Apple can successfully attract developers to create a wide range of apps and experiences beyond gaming, this will definitely help them tap into a much larger market. And guys, as a savvy investor, that's where the potential for growth lies. Okay, and that being said, if you're loving this video on the Apple Vision Pro and how it wants to position itself as a game changer in the AR/VR market, then I'd appreciate it if you can show me some love by giving me a thumbs up. Your support helps the YouTube algorithm share my video with many people like yourselves who share that burning desire to actually achieve their financial goals and dreams. Hey, and while you're at it, why don't you just hit the subscribe button? That way you'll never miss out on any latest videos, including the upcoming one on how to build wealth when you don't come from money. Alright, now let's shift our focus to the second article and explore the technical aspects for the Vision Pro headset. But before we dive into the technicalities, let's take a moment to consider whether or not it's a wise bet to gamble and invest in the AR/VR headset industry, such as how other players like Mark Zuckerberg, through Meta or Facebook, have spent billions of dollars investing in this industry. Check this out guys, you see, the AR/VR market is a rapidly growing sector with immense potential, and Apple's entry into this space with the Vision Pro headset signifies their confidence in the future of immersive technology. So by investing in Apple stock, you're not only buying into the company known for innovation and market success, but you're also positioning yourself in a market poised for substantial growth. Alright, now back to the technical aspects of the Vision Pro headset and why this could be a game changer. The Vision Pro utilizes a combination of powerful chips including M2 microchip and the R1 chip to deliver a mind-boggling display system. You see guys, with more pixels and a 4K TV to each eye, this headset offers a truly immersive experience. And it also has the ability to interact with graphical elements just by looking at them. I must say, wow, this is mind-blowing. However, the article also raises some important questions, like will the Vision Pro headset be able to access mixed reality applications via a web browser, or how will it feel to use this headset from an ergonomic standpoint? Well, these unanswered questions highlight the uncertainties surrounding this emerging market. But if you want to put a bet, why don't you put a bet on Apple? Because based on Apple's history, it's always focused on creating an interoperable ecosystem. Therefore, there is a potential for the Vision Pro headset to disrupt the AR/VR market. Now that we've examined both articles, it's time to put on our finance hats and evaluate whether investing in Apple stock.
Wait a minute!
Dude, why did you give me this cowboy hat? I asked for that other hat. Give it to me, man. No, that one, not the other one. No, that's a fuck. Alright, just take it. I don't want it. Sorry about that, guys. As I was saying, let's evaluate whether investing in Apple stock is a smart move based on the launch of Apple's Vision Pro headset. You see, historically, Apple has been a tech powerhouse with their stock price consistently rising after major product announcements, just like what we've just seen in the Apple Vision Pro headset. The introduction of the Apple Vision Pro headset could be a significant catalyst for further growth, especially if they can attract a broader audience beyond gaming. Let's consider the key factors that could impact Apple's stock performance in relation to the Vision Pro headset. First, developer activity and the availability of compelling content will play a crucial role in making this happen. You see, if developers embrace the platform and create a wide range of apps and experiences, it could drive consumer adoption and increase the headset's value proposition. Secondly, keep an eye on consumer adoption rate. You see, the steep price of the Vision Pro headset may limit initial accessibility, but if it gains traction and becomes a must-have device, it could have a positive impact on Apple's financials. Now, let's take a step back and think about the bigger picture here. Guys, Apple's entry into the AR/VR market signifies a validation of this technology. You see, guys, it opens the door to a world of possibilities from immersive experiences to the development of the metaverse. As the article mentioned, companies like Apple, Meta, and Microsoft have the power to make these technologies mainstream. And when it comes to stock performance, being at the forefront of a transformative industry can definitely be a game changer. So, what's the verdict? Should you consider investing in Apple stock based on the launch of the Vision Pro headset? Well, you decide. You see, while it's impossible to predict stock market movements with certainty, the introduction of the Vision Pro headset positions Apple as a player in the booming AR and VR markets. If they can capitalize on their ecosystem and appeal to a wider audience, it could bode well for their long-term growth prospects. And there you have it, guys. The Apple Vision Pro headset launch has suddenly created a buzz in the tech world. Whether it's worth investing in Apple stock based on this release depends on various factors, including developer adoption, consumer demand, and the company's ability to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving market. But one thing is for sure, the world of AR and VR is expanding, and Apple is just staking its claim. Before we conclude, I want to emphasize the crucial importance of conducting thorough research when it comes to investing in stocks. Simply reading articles about the company's latest products is just the tip of the iceberg. You see, in order to make informed investment decisions, it's essential to go beyond the surface and dive deep into the company's fundamentals. I recommend that you start by analyzing the fundamental factors that can provide valuable insight about the company. Look at the metrics of a company like the PE ratio, dividend yield, market cap, the revenue, net income of the company, earnings per share, and the net profit margin. I know it may seem a lot, but trust me, guys, understanding these numbers will help you gauge the financial health of the company. Oh, and don't stop there. Go ahead and take a closer look at the company's stock performance by examining its current share price, comparing it to what it was worth 1 year ago, and even to what it was worth 5 years ago. This historical perspective can give you a sense of the company's long-term trends and performance. I know this is a lot of stock analysis information, but trust me when I tell you that in order to build wealth through stock investing, like Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and Jeff Bezos, you need to evaluate those factors I just mentioned for you to get a comprehensive understanding of a company's stock potential. Guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more engaging finance content. Oh, listen. If you also enjoyed learning about how to research stocks for profitable investments based on how we analyze the Apple Vision Pro launch, then you won't want to miss my next video where I'll be sharing tips and strategies on how to build wealth when you don't come from money. You see, building wealth is a journey, and I'm here to provide you with valuable insight and practical advice every step of the way on how to accomplish it. Also, guys, I encourage you to leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on today's video or any questions you may have. Your feedback is incredibly valuable, and I'm here to provide answers and address any concerns you may have. Remember, guys, knowledge is power when it comes to managing your finances. So be sure to hit the notification bell to receive updates whenever I upload a new video. This way, you won't miss out on any latest insights, strategies, and tips that can help you on your journey to financial success. Until next time, guys, always remember to stay money smart. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hey man, why did you give me that cowboy hat? No, I didn't ask for that.